Hi there, this is Matt from Clarity, and today I'm going to show you our latest features called agendas. Now, if we come up here to the Documents tab, you'll be able to see the call agendas available within this tab. You'll also see that there are some compliance agendas, but they'll be coming shortly. But let's have a look and see what these agendas do. Now, call agendas are really helpful no matter what stage of your Clarity journey you are with the client or what stage of the Clarity journey you are within the business, because agendas are really helpful within those meetings. For example, I might want to follow along for some structured guidance as to what I'm going to be talking about and the key points I'm going to be communicating with my client in the meeting. So, for example, if I select team use and I'm going into an accountability meeting with that client on a particular time of the day or particular day of the year, I'm going to select those, and it's given me a suggested hour-long meeting time. I'm going to download this link here, and we'll be able to see what it looks like. So when I'm in the call with my client, if I ever get stuck, I simply follow my agenda points, which is really helpful, especially if you're a first timer into a meeting with a client. You can come in looking really professional because we're going to go and review last month's activities. We're going to deal with any queries. What have your biggest challenges been? So it's actually some really good questions you can ask with your client in the meeting as well. So agendas give the team confidence because you don't have to worry about remembering everything. You might forget a few things, but if you've got your agenda, you just simply follow along and away you go. It also ensures a consistent approach, so you're not ever missing certain key points or recreating the wheel each and every time. It's also a very professional approach because if you're sending these agenda points out in advance to, for example, the client, they can then answer those questions before the meeting. By the time you get in there, you've got more substance and a real connection with that client. It also helps the client understand what's being covered in the call in advance. So we recommend 48 hours in advance. Make sure that you add your logo here on the right hand side. So when you do present the client with their agenda, they'll be able to see it here with your business logo in the top right hand side. And it just looks very professional.